Hello everyone, welcome back. It's early May. This probably won't be out for a while, but we had a bunch of rain. My yard gets kind of rutted up. This actually is pretty good. It was worse earlier this year when I had to fix it with the skid steer, but it is dried up a little, as you can see by the water in the tracks. And I got the drag all fixed up after wrecking it, pulling the chain off. So this is what I use to level my yard out with normally. I wish there was a day when this stuff would just be rock solid and never get messed up, but if somebody can let me know what that secret is, I'd appreciate it. But I'm gonna go and show you what I normally do here. Nothing spectacular, just go around in circles. It's windy today. It's windy every day. Just start going around stuff. Start at the edge, kind of work my way in, and work from the middle and work my way out. It is a touch wet for doing this, but I'll go around it again once it's all dried up, and then it'll look real nice. Real nice. It doesn't look that great right now, but in a couple days, if it stops raining, I'll go over it again. It'll just be perfect. I wish I could do something to get the water to run a little bit better away from the yard though. I might have an idea with that. Come along with me. Come on. Think this might help? I don't know. Well, guys, that's all I got for you today. Join me next time. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?